Are you a Texan with films and videotapes you can no longer watch? Join the thousands who've digitized their moving image collections for free by mailing the Texas Archive of the Moving Image your films and videotapes for this year's Texas Film Roundup, happening October 1st to 31st. How do you participate? Go to texasarchive.org and register your collection. Make sure to take note of the accepted formats and the item limits. Register your collection and you will receive a confirmation email with paperwork to print and sign. Pack your materials securely, including your signed paperwork, and ship them to us using your favorite shipping service. Return to your confirmation email and follow the link to enter your tracking number, alerting us that your films and videotapes are on their way. We'll send you a quick note to confirm arrival of your package, and then the magic begins. We will inventory, clean, prep, and digitize your materials. Once the process is complete, return shipping is on us. We will contact you about the return of your materials and the delivery of your digital files. From the collections submitted during the roundup, we will choose a selection of videos to feature on texasarchive.org, our award-winning online archive. Help us tell the story of Texas and get free digital copies of your films and videotapes. Go to texasarchive.org/roundup for details. Make sure your package is postmarked by October 31st. The Texas Film Roundup is a collaboration between the Texas Archive of the Moving Image and the Texas Film Commission.